Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, I'd be happy to provide you with an informative tutorial on translating English to Hindi using Python. We'll be using the Translate library, which makes it easy to interact with translation services such as Google Translate. First, you need to install the Translate library. Open your terminal or command prompt and run the following command. Now, let's write a simple Python script that takes English text as input and translates it to Hindi. Save the script as, for example, translate_to_hindi.py, and then run it using the following command. Enter the English text you want to translate when prompted. The script will use the Translate library to send the text to Google Translate and receive the translation in Hindi. Keep in mind that using automated translation services might have limitations, and the quality of translations can vary. Additionally, be respectful of usage policies and terms of service of the translation service you choose. ChatGPT.